What's up guys, welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we'll be doing a rather quick unboxing because it's not a brand new phone but just a new color of a pretty popular phone. We are of course talking about the OnePlus 7 and this is the mirror blue edition. So let's take a look at what you get in the box. Now before we go ahead, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you're the first to know when we have a new video. Alright, so this is the box of the brand new OnePlus 7 Mirror Blue Edition. Obviously, it looks exactly the same as the regular box, except for the mention of this new color. So let's quickly open this up and see what we get inside. Okay, so let's take our first peek at what the Mirror Blue Edition looks like. The shade of the blue is very similar to the Nebula Blue of the OnePlus 7 Pro. However, instead of the matte finish that we had on the Pro version, this is a glossy finish, hence the name Mirror Blue. So it looks really nice, really striking. Now, just also remember one thing, that the Mirror Blue Edition will only come in the base variant, which means this model has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So let's just keep this aside quickly. I think the rest of the box contents are pretty much identical. So you have the same silicone case, SIM eject tool, some stickers, and warranty information. Place this over here. Finally, we have the charger for fast charging. And we get the USB Type-C cable. Okay, so let's boot up the OnePlus 7. While it's booting up, we'll just take a quick tour of the phone. Nothing else has changed. The power and volume buttons are where they should be. We have the alert slider on the side, and it's the same situation at the bottom. We have the speaker grill, Type-C port, and of course the earpiece, which also doubles up as the second channel for stereo effect. And the SIM slot is placed on the left hand side. Okay, so we finally set up the OnePlus 7 Mirror Blue, and well, I mean, it feels exactly like the OnePlus 7, obviously, since nothing much has changed apart from this new finish. It looks really nice. We were not huge fans of the red version, but it's nice to have this other option. However, this is not available in the higher end storage variant. So if you want the blue version, you're kind of stuck with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, for now at least. So everything is where it is. We have the OnePlus logo, the OnePlus branding at the bottom, the dual cameras, 48 megapixel and the other one a 5 megapixel sensor, and of course you have the good old Oxygen OS. So this is not a limited edition run, but it's currently only available in India. And the phone will be going on sale on July 15th, which coincides with the first day of Amazon's Prime Day sale. So thanks for watching our unboxing and a quick first look at the Mirror Blue edition of the OnePlus 7. Now, we've already done a full review of this phone, so don't forget to check it out at gadgets360.com.